Tranya.com reached out to me and asked, lardsah, if we send you a set of our B530 earbuds, would you like to review them for your channel? I said, sure, but can I have a spare set so I can give one away to my subscribers as a prize? They came back and said, yeah, no problem. So for you guys, I have a brand new sealed set of Tranya B530 wireless earbuds to give away. So stay tuned to the end of the video to find out how you can win a set. Right, to the review. As you can see, brand new seal box, unopened. One of you lucky subscribers are going to win these. So stay tuned to the end of the video to see how you can win these fantastic earbuds. Right, let's have a look at the specs. It's got Nano 2 diaphragm, which delivers exceptional soundtrack with fine-tuned acoustics that will perfectly add clarity on the punchy bass. Touch controls, that allows you to change the tracks, answer calls and adjust the volume with a tap of your finger. HD calling ensures high quality, crystal clear calls by using CVC 8.0 noise cancellation technology. A long battery life, up to 8 hours continuous playtime, and 64 hours total playtime with the charging case. They are also waterproof. Officially prevents water and sweat from penetrating and damaging its sensitive components. Solid connection creates smooth music for extended range and fewer dropouts. It also has a Qualcomm aptX sound recording technology. It's used by film studios and recording studios around the world. Gotta love that. As I say, folks, watch till the end of the video to find out how you can win a set of these. Right, to the review. Let's tear these babies up and see what we got. Nice packaging. Zoom in a bit. Tranya, register your product. You can see you get 15 months warranty if you register at Tranya.com. But we'll have a look at these afterwards. Let's see what's inside this accessories case. You got a regular spare set of earbuds for all you cats with different size ears. And you've got your standard USB to micro USB charging cable. Small and nifty, that will easily fit in your pocket. It's very light as well. Oh, look at them. Don't they look good? You got your gold-plated contacts and gold-plated contacts inside the case. They're also magnetic. Drop them in and just click straight in position. And also, obviously, those are your charging lights. And then you got your USB micro ports. And the branding on the bottom. Frequency controls, blah, blah, you know. Right, let's charge these up. So I put those on charge, and you can see the charging status, and you've got the red lights on that shows you they're in charge. While them are charging, let's have a look at these instructions. Come on, there we go. Right, you got, as you can see, you got Tranya register your product. You got 15-month warranty. You got a couple of stickers here. Hello Tranya. You can stick them wherever you want, in your car, whatever you're on, your bike, on your forehead, wherever you want to stick them. And this is a really nice instruction booklet. Not like your usual pamphlets you get with some of the other cheaper buds. So it's in English, Mandarin, German, French, and I think that's Spanish. But don't quote me. It's got all your usual important stuff, connection settings, telling you it's all self-explanatory. Your controls, your audio playing, your phone calls. A nice little book. Right, the case is fully charged, as you can see. 4 lights, 25% charge, 50% charge, 75%, and 100. And as you take them out of the case, they instantly go into pairing mode and they start hunting for your Bluetooth signal. But if you fail in that, if you want to turn them on, all you have to do is press and hold each earbud for 3 seconds, and that will manually turn them on. When both the earbuds are on, the left and the right earbuds will connect with each other automatically with a voice prompt of ding ding from each earbud. Once 2 earbuds are connected, the left and the right earbuds will enter the pairing mode automatically with a voice prompt saying pairing. Right, I've got my phone here. Let's try and pair these babies. As you can see, they've connected. Pairing request, yes, okay. Excuse my crappy screensaver. It reminds me I've got to change that. And there we go. B30. It says B35R and B35L, but either way, they connected successfully. Right, let's have a look at these controls. So, 1 tap on the right, and that will pause the video. Tap it again, it plays the video. 1 tap on the left, pause the video. Tap it again, it plays the video. If you press and hold the power key on the right earbud for 2 seconds, it will skip to the next track. And if you press and hold the power key on the left earbud for up to 2 seconds, it will go to the previous track. And if you do 3 quick taps, you'll enter your phone, your Google or your Siri or whatever. You can tap it on your left or your right earbud to answer or end the call, and press and hold for 2 seconds or more on the left or the right earbud to reject the call. And this is what it looks like in your ear. Gotta say, the bass on these are absolutely fantastic. The deep, clean, rumbling, and the mid-range. The mid-range is crystal clear mid-range, and the treble are these one of the best trebles I've ever heard on these buds. If you like your bass, they're all right with these. Your mid-range, your vocals, and also if you listen to classical music or anything with Spanish guitar or acoustic guitar, or anything with cymbals, anything like that, the top section on these are very, 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 very good. Thoroughly recommended. For your bass heads, try it with Future. You won't, trust me, you'll feel them. And for your mid-range, your vocals, Key Sweats, Anthea Cage, sweet. And for your silky smooth treble, the one to test out would be Bobby Caldwell. Excellent. Thoroughly recommended. So, if you want to win a pair of these, all you got to do is just comment, like and subscribe to my channel, and then I'll announce the winner on Sunday 22nd March. So if you like this video, just subscribe, and you never know, you might be the lucky winner of these earbuds. Thanks for watching. Easy. Oh, I forgot, hit the notification bell, won't you?